All right, picture this. Me, you, and a world where everything's made of clay. I'm talking houses, cars, even my hair. Welcome to our claymation adventure, how to buy a house in the USA. So you want to buy your first home. Maybe you're tired of paying rent. Maybe you need a place for your dog to run wild. Or maybe you're just dreaming of a kitchen bigger than your closet. I get it. But where do you even start? Don't worry, I've got you. Step 1. Get real about your budget. Before you fall in love with a clay mansion, take a good look at your savings and how much you make. Lenders look at your income, your debts, and your credit score. So check your credit and clean up any mistakes. The better your credit, the better your loan. Step 2, get pre-approved for a mortgage. This is like a golden ticket for house shopping. It tells sellers you're serious, and it also tells you exactly how much you can spend. Shop around with banks and credit unions. You want the best deal. Step 3, find a real estate agent. Think of them as your clay tour guide. They know the neighborhoods, the listings, and they'll help you negotiate. Don't be shy about asking questions. You want someone who listens, not just someone who talks fast. Step 4, start house hunting. This part is fun, but it can also get weird. You'll see houses with wild colors, strange smells, or maybe a backyard full of gnomes. Take your time. Make a list of must-haves and nice-to-haves. And remember, location matters. Step 5, make an offer. Found the one? Your agent will help you write up an offer. Sometimes you'll negotiate back and forth. Sometimes you'll get outbid. Don't let it crush your clay spirit. Step 6, home inspection and appraisal. An inspector checks for issues you can't see. An appraiser makes sure the home is worth the price. If anything's wrong, you can ask for repairs or back out. Step 7, closing time. This is where you sign a mountain of papers and hand over your down payment. It can feel scary, but soon you'll get the keys and the house is yours. A few bonus tips: save for extra costs like moving, taxes, and home insurance. And don't rush. Buying a house is a big step, and you want to love where you live. So, that's it. From dreaming to moving in, every step in clay. If I can do it, so can you. Ready to start your own adventure? Smash that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.